Hey guys, welcome to another episode on the Fuzzboo YouTube channel. So today we have this ramp that we built. It's a 5-level ramp. I showed you in the previous video how to put this together. I'm not going to go through that again. But what are you going to do if your cars keep falling off the track, right? And this is going to be a problem the higher your ramps get. So put a car down. That was actually perfect. You put a car down, maybe it goes at a little angle. It's also perfect. You put a car down and it might fall off the track, the ramp. So how do you fix it? Well, what we could do is we can build a tunnel on the ramp, and it looks cool too. So what we do for that is, so let's say for the orange side, you take 6 orange pieces and you just make a tunnel. Just like that. You're going to do that all the way down. So there you have it. It's a tunnel all the way down. Let's try it with the tunnel. So there you have it. The tunnel keeps the car on track as it's going down the ramp. Now the only issue with this tunnel is it's a little flimsy, so it might fall over, so you have to be careful. But I have a way to solve that, and we'll cover that in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please click like. If you want to see more stuff, click subscribe.